Samsung unveils 200 megapixel camera sensor that's likely to appear in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Oh, very shortly.
Megapixels.
In a moment, in a matter of mere moments. Feb 1. It boosts light gathering capacity by 33% and can combine 4 or 16 pixels into one. Lovely. Low light has been the Achilles heel of smartphones since we started using them as our primary cameras. Smaller sensors, so on and so forth. The downside of having a 200 megapixel sensor would be that you would have smaller pixels and therefore you might have noise when you have lower light and so on and so forth. So in this case, what you're gonna do through that, what are they calling it? Pixel. They have a name for it.
ISOCELL, HP2.
Yeah, I know, but when they combine them, is there not a word for that? As before, it can transform. They're just saying transform into a 1.2 UM 50 megapixel or 2.4 UM 12.5 megapixel sensor by binding either 4 or 16 neighboring pixels, allowing for better performance in low light. Like, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So you're getting 3 sensors for the price of one. It's either 250 or 12.5. Bind it together and have different performance attributes. And maybe you have tons of light and you just want to shoot a 200 megapixel photo. You can do that.
Or the algorithm doesn't have to work so hard.
Like night modes and things like this? Yeah.
Although, it might be instant instead of just like, you have to hold down a couple seconds.
Cool. It also uses something called Smart ISO Pro to capture 12.5 megapixel HDR images in 4K HDR video at up to 60 frames. I'm curious about the video. I tend to be a little bit more in the video mode side, but we'll wait and see. It won't be too long, Will. Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra only had 108 megapixels last time.
Boo.
Oh, disgusting.
Yeah.
You're still using that?
Nasty 108.
You're still using that? Do you know what year it is? Samsung's the only one that has the year in the name. They just straight up switched to the year. And because they jumped over a bunch at one time, and now it's just the year. S22, you get it in 2022.
Yeah.
S23, you get it in 2023. They kind of did the automotive thing, which is what we wanted, and somehow I hadn't referenced that. But they did the automotive thing.
They should take out the S2.
Just get rid of the S.
Yeah, why not?
Well, the original one was the Galaxy S. So what? Samsung Galaxy 22?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's
not bad, right?
I don't mind it, actually.
Yeah.
Kind of into it.
There you go.